Hi friends, Nancy, Sophia, Ruby here. Please call me Sophia. Have you ever wanted to make a change in your life but just can't quite get around to doing it? Well, I'm making one of those changes. I've had this desire to shift to something a little bit different than what I've been doing over the last 40 years, and it's called rebranding. And if you know what that means in the terms of a website, an email, and message that you want to share with the world, it takes a lot. It's a lot of thought, it's a lot of heart, it's a lot of soul, and it's a lot of time. And it's really kind of also a little bit humorous that my change is to shift to being more simple. So I am shifting, as you'll begin to see, all of my social media and my website and my email to simple, soulful living. And why is that? Because that is what drives me, and it makes sense. How about you? If you want to live more simply and you want to connect more soulfully, what can you do each and every day so that is happening? So life feels simple and soulful and rewarding in every way. So I'm going to be coming on with all kinds of tips and tricks to simplify your life, maybe minimalizing the things in your life that don't matter anymore, how to make decisions more simply, and just simply how to live more in line with nature and your true nature on a day-to-day basis. So I just wanted to let you know that little announcement, because you're going to start seeing a slow change, because as much as I would love to have it all done and packaged and boom, make a big show of it, something new, it's not like that. The reality is change takes time, and it happens incrementally, one step at a time. So here we go. I definitely have my new website, simplesoulful.com, and you'll start to see all the names that I've used, from YogaMotion to Ruby Wellness Academy to Simple Soulful Living, all on my media that I'm sharing with you. So it's all me, and of course I changed my name too. So from Nancy Ruby to Sophia. Let's just go for the change. Thanks for welcoming my change, and stick with me through the change, and I'll be happy to offer you ways in which you too can simplify and live more soulfully. Namaste.